2012 Honda Odyssey EX with leather, heated seats, and DVD. In amazing condition. No accidents. Not a door ding on the van, as you can see. Dual power sliding doors. Rear cargo area. Third row seats that fold down. Those of you familiar with the Odysseys know what I'm talking about. This is the new body style, so it doesn't look like the squared off minivan. Alloy wheels. Dual power sliding doors. Second row has the 8th seat in it. That's removable. DVD. Power seats. Heated seats. $86,149 miles at the time of the video. All the original floor mats. Leather's in perfect condition. Needs nothing mechanically or cosmetically. Have all 3 keys. Third row seats. Everything works on the van. (2012) Honda Odyssey, 86,000 miles with DVD, leather, and heated seats in remarkable condition.